Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You plug in the mic and open the audio tool. Make sure the app shows your device. First, select the correct input and set the sample rate to 44/100 Hz so files stay compatible. Then adjust input gain to around -12 decibels so peaks don't clip. Once done, pick mono or stereo based on the source and enable half-second pre-roll for timing. This prepares a clean, reliable recording chain before you hit record. You'll now focus on capturing clean takes and monitoring carefully. Put on closed-back headphones and enable direct or software monitoring so you hear exactly what's recorded. Do a short-level test, speak at performance volume, and verify peaks stay below 0 to prevent clipping. Record multiple takes for safety and label each file with descriptive names and timestamps so you can find them later. Once satisfactory takes exist, stop and review one full pass to confirm consistency. You finish by editing and exporting a deliverable file. First, trim silence and normalize levels to about -1 decibel, then apply gentle compression to even dynamics without pumping. Use a short high-pass filter if low rumble is present and a mild de-esser for sibilance. Export as 24-bit WAV for masters or MP3 at 192 kbps for distribution, and add metadata. If you notice hiss or clipping, run.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.